My name is SAWITSKY. I've been with the RM for about 5 years now. Been foreman for 3.
My name is Justin and worked for the RM for 3 years. Equipment operator.
I'm CHARA Sergeant. I've worked for the RM of Fish Creek for the last 3 years. I'm an equipment operator.
With both cases, we've been a constant battle every week. We've been heading out, dealing with ice, snow, blowing snow, so it's been busy. We had 2 bulls in the past, then we went down to 1 and ended up getting a deer. And then as that progressed and when we wanted to switch out again, we went back to the second case. It wasn't so much a case, it was the redhead. No matter what, redhead always had our backs. So that's why, dealing with Eric, it was great.
Eric, well, he's kind of like a morale booster when he comes into the shop.
Oh, Eric's great. I've always bugged him from day one and he just takes it and, makes it fun.
We've had a couple different techs now that have come out, and both of them have done real well for us. And the response times are unbeatable.
All-wheel drive is huge. We love the all-wheel drive. You get stuck in these snowbanks or anything. The ditch, it's a breeze to get out, where the non-all-wheel drive, we're calling for a pole. So yeah, it is a world of difference and definitely worth the money.
I like working with it. It's been really good, user-friendly. I like the power out of it. It's comfortable to sit in. I'm not sore at the end of the day. That is definitely a bonus, especially after the hours we're putting in, 17, 18 hours clearing roads. And the ProCare is great.
Once you have ProCare and you see exactly how it works, it's a very good peace of mind. We had bought extended warranty in our other machine, but lots of the stuff is not covered. It's costing you money to keep on operating that machine. So with the ProCare though, you've got peace of mind. It's all going to be taken care of from top to bottom, front to back, and you don't have to worry about it.
It's turnkey. You change blades, you grease it, and that's about it. Put fuel in it.
Yep, exactly.
Anything else you want to say?
Oh, redhead's awesome. Yeah.